Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. A different way to enjoy the seasonal fruit muskmelon, also called as cantaloupe. Here I am taking a medium-sized fruit, cut it into half, dice it into cubes and just blend it in a blender. Now our muskmelon puree is ready, just keep it aside. Take a pan, heat some milk in it. In a separate small bowl, take half a cup of milk, add some cornstarch, mix it and keep it ready. Once the milk gets heated up, add some sugar and the muskmelon puree into it, mix it. And let it come to a small boil. After that, slowly add in the cornstarch mixture and continuously mix it. As we have added the cornstarch, the mixture will get thickened really fast. When it reaches this consistency, add few drops of vanilla essence and mix it. Now at this stage, turn off the flame and pour the mixture into a greased bowl where we're gonna set the pudding. You can also pour this in small serving bowls and keep it refrigerated till it gets set. I just kept it overnight. And the pudding came out just perfect. Look at the creamy texture. It's so yum. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting videos from our channel. Thank you.